Yep, that's right. We're putting new wheels on this bad boy. In the last video, if you didn't see it, we did suspension. Well, these tires are nice, these rims are nice, but I have an issue with them. They're plastic. We need to change that.
We need more weight.
Way more weight.
Yeah.
We like them heavy. So, let me show you the new wheels. Oh, crap.
You gotta be more careful next time, man.
Yeah, hold on a second. I didn't mean that, actually.
You don't make it better.
All right, now that I cleaned them all up after throwing them all over the floor.
Yeah.
Out of here, hair. Take that.
Okay.
So, got some new wheels and tires, by the way.
Yeah, from our failed video attempt.
Yeah. Yeah, we tried recording this video. We got tires, but they didn't work. So, we bought a different set, and now they work. Look at these things.
I wish I could see them, you know. Tires are in the way.
Yeah, you can get over it. So
Yeah.
look at these. Come take a closer look, by the way. Just come here. Aren't they a beaut?
Yeah, they are. I think they look really good.
So here we have 5-piece Enduro rims. You know, they're actually pretty heavy. I forgot the gram weight, though, of what they are, if it is grams. I got to find out what the G stands for. I'm pretty sure it's gram. But
It is.
is it?
Yeah.
But they look really pretty, in my opinion. They add a lot of weight to them. There is 4, but we did some...
They're just throwing stuff all over the place.
We did some experimenting, so that's a sneak peek. So we're just setting it up like this to make it look pretty. And I'll get the third one later. We got some nice DJ Crawler tires, you know, 1.3s.
Honestly, a little better than the Enduros, I think.
Yeah, we're gonna definitely see because we do run Enduro parts and tires on all of our cars, except for one. I think one is running a mix.
Oh, a mixed racing wheel.
Yeah, mixed racing wheel. And the cool part about these is these are really budget-friendly tires. They even come with silicone inserts. You can get these ones, which are
normal,
you know, little bouncy, little tough in my opinion. And then we can get, or you guys can get the soft ones, which we are going to get the soft ones in the future. But we're definitely putting these ones in and on this car because, these are nice.
Yeah, needs it for the weight.
It definitely does. I'm going to get that third tire. I'm going to make Nick put the wheels on. And we'll be right back. Now, before we show you how beautiful this car looks, I mean, it turned out really good.
It did.
I just want to give you guys a PSA. Please remember, these wheels are 5-piece wheels, and even the 3-piece wheels are very frustrating to put together. I ended up trying it and giving it to Nick because
I'm just better at it for some reason.
my fat fingers won't let me get it done. So I did some other work while we were getting it done. But now the reveal. Look at that.
And flexing on 3 tires because the suspension video, added the new shocks.
Mm-hmm.
I think they look really good.
I think so too.
Now we just need to compare them to, some other rigs that we have.
Yeah, his green WPL can flex and looks just as good as this.
At the moment, my rigs, except my new one that y'all don't know about yet, flex on 3 tires.
Unless you follow the Instagram, you know about it.
Hey,
but it does.
Go follow.
So the other issue is we're not going to be able to test this car for a while, only because of one thing.
Hit me now.
Oh, I'm trying to show them.
Yeah, no, you just got to do it like this, like a little kid would,
Yeah, you're right. It has no transmission. It has no transmission, no drive shafts, no servo. I lied. It has a servo. No ESC is what I meant.
Shall they know the build process of that yet, or no? Or surprise them?
You know what? I'll be fair. This is going to get a full Traxxas swap. I say Traxxas, it's really going to be an Endura swap, but it's parts for an SCX24 or a TRX4N. It's going to get everything, a 180 motor, the Endura ESC paired with an Endura transmitter and receiver. We're going the whole 9 yards. We're all going to put it up here in the hood, so when you open up the hood, you can see the beautiful electronics, and then you'll be able to flip it and see that beautiful motor. We might even try brushless.
That would be cool.
There's rumors that the green one is going to go brushless.
Just have to wait and find out.
Yeah, just have to. But this is something we've been putting off that I think it's time for, and I am so glad we did it. I think it's fireworks. Can't be mean now.
It's okay.
That's whatever. So
this thing looks good either way.
It does. So what can you expect for the future? What's next? I mean, it could be the electronics. It could be the links. I don't know. You'll just have to stick around for more.
Gotta get that video posted for the suspension,
Yeah, well, I mean, if they hit that red subscribe button, they can definitely
or thumbs up. Or even
that too.
If they leave a comment too. We'd really enjoy that, actually. We'd like to hear what y'all think about the wheels.
Yeah. Yeah, it's underneath that red button, so just hit it. But I hope you enjoyed the video. I don't know if it's going to be short, to be honest. I stopped paying attention. I just like filming the content for you guys. Remember to always grease your... I almost said drive shafts. All right.
Yes, your drive shafts. Always.
Remember to always grease your differentials, and we'll catch you next time.
See you.